Thailand, welcome to another video. And for some reason I know that you guys love to watch motorcycles riding in the rain, and it's funny because most of people are quite scared, are quite afraid of riding in the rain because yeah, the roads are slippery, it's dangerous, we cannot speed. However, I quite like riding in the rain because Thailand is an extremely hot country, and when it's raining it's much more fresh. I told you we are going to ride in the rain, but suddenly the rain stopped. Just have a little random small drops, but no rain. We'll find a spot to take some pictures. Here? Maybe. So happy to ride in the rain, and suddenly no rain. Let's take a quick picture here. Gosh, look at this. You don't ride in the rain, but ride in the roads after the rain is even worse. At least in the rain, clean a little bit. Look this mess. Need to shower the bike. Let's take a quick picture. It's so dirty.